Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crypto Traders Club. Today is Thursday, February 9th. We are studying the charts and reading the charts every day to find you the very best setups. If you like the content, please subscribe and like the video. We have a link to the Discord down below where we're having live trade updates and a VIP paid membership with live calls. I'm going to start off taking a look at Bitcoin. It printed this buy signal back on January 6th, and we've been riding that wave up ever since on the daily chart. Right now, we're looking like we're about to roll over. I'm expecting one more bounce off of this line of support around 22,000 before jumping up to 23,000 for the final test down and breakthrough of this support. I was really thinking we would see Bitcoin reach up to 25,000 before hitting some sort of rejection, but it looks like it might start now. So we'll be watching this today, which will also be affecting our other trades today as well. Same thing goes with Ethereum. So if Bitcoin starts breaking through, Ethereum is most likely going to do the same. Come down to this support line, retest it, and possibly even break through it. We'll start off by reviewing our most recent trades. Again, this is why it's important to get into the Discord. We called this one out. It's not every day that you get to call the very top of a long run, but we did on render here. If you zoom out, just so you guys can see how we found this trade, zoom out on the daily. This is a point of resistance. So it had this massive move up. I think it was around 300% or more. Let's see. Okay, so 440%. So 4.5% or 4.5x move on this one. And before seeing any signs of retracing. And so we thought this would be a good opportunity to take a short. We're looking at every chart like this. There's a few other setups like this coming up soon. All right, and then switching back over to the 2 hour. So in about 24 hours, we were able to make 30% on this trade using 5x leverage, which we did. We made 150% on this trade. There are opportunities like this. If you're looking to learn more about how to short the market and not always buy and hold or whatever, please drop a comment in the comment section down below. We're setting up a training video to show people how to find the best short setup so that you can trade no matter what the market is doing, bull market, bear market, and so on. Next one we're going to take a look at that just missed our target and could come down to retest and maybe we possibly move or just get out right here depending what Bitcoin does. But this is another 20% move is Fantom. So broke through this trend line, usually comes up to retest it, and then before making the final move down. And so we also did get the printed sell signal here on Fantom, which gave us confirmation on the daily. Taking a look at Link. So this is a new one we're bringing in for the day. It's been trading within this channel, this ascending channel. Zooming back out on the daily, we can see here that even though it's not a very strong point of resistance, or very clean, I should say, we do have a point of resistance around 7.8, so it's $7.80. So we've placed our trend line there, which really matches up to the point of resistance here on the channel it's been trading in. So we have a pretty tight stop, 2.4%. I think we could see 11% or so profit on this trade. If Bitcoin does drop soon, we might not enter this. Might not go up to our entry price, and it may break through this trend line and see some significant down action, maybe around $5.80, somewhere around there, or the $6 mark. Taking a look at Ape Coin, I really like this trade setup for a long position. For anywhere from 8 to 11% gain on this trade. The only potential issue here is if we do see some downside on Bitcoin, this is not a great trade setup. It can break through this support here and just continue to fall down. So just manage your stops here. we're watching this, depending on what Bitcoin does. Right now, we're not taking this trade, but it is a decent setup and opportunity. So we'll keep you guys posted in Discord. Again, links below the in the description below. All right. So Decentraland, it is also in this ascending channel. There's a point of resistance around 82 cents. It's broken through it, but continually gotten rejected. So that could be the end of this move. Maybe we have one more test up before finally breaking down. But if Bitcoin does break down today, this could be it. And then it breaks this trend line here. So we'll be watching that. Polygon. So Polygon looks really good for a shorting opportunity. This is the resistance. It did break through this. So if we zoom out on the daily, we can see what that looks like. So there's quite a bit of resistance here at $1.30, about 33 cents. And it is trading within this channel. It is possible that it just breaks through and continues to run. But what we're looking for are trade opportunities that are towards the top of their channels, because we're expecting some more downside action from Bitcoin. So we'll keep you posted on that in Discord. Solana looks like another good opportunity for a short. It printed it a short opportunity a few days ago on the daily chart. So this is one that we're just watching. Maybe one more pump up if Bitcoin does. Very similar pattern as Bitcoin as well, before seeing some new lows back to maybe around $17. Next one we're going to take a look at is Dent. All of these have very similar patterns. We did mention taking a potential short around 0.001 for several days now. So if you are in that trade and you took profits here, good job. We may have another test here before seeing the breakthrough and breakdown of this trend line that has been trading on. Cardano, this is one that we called out a few days ago. It's already tested this longer channel. So if we zoom out on the daily, Cardano's been trading within this descending channel like this. There's quite a bit of resistance here around 41 cents. We did call that for a short opportunity. So if you're still in it, I think we're going to see some significant downside on this one to around maybe 33 cents, considering taking profits. But again, this depends what's going on with Bitcoin as well. It could continue to drop even further after that, but that's a nice 15% gain on that trade. Taking a look at Cosmos, another point of resistance is around 15.91, so close to $16. Looking for a shorting opportunity on Cosmos if it does get back up there. This one may play out tomorrow if Bitcoin does see some positive price movement today. Next one is Zilliqa. It's been trading within this channel. We'll switch over to the 2-hour chart. Trading within this channel could be a good opportunity for a long here. The only potential issue, the reason we're not looking for that right now is the only way we would take that trade is if Bitcoin does show some signs of strength, whereas right now it's looking pretty weak. Another one we've been watching for a few weeks and took this trade at $331 is Binance. It got rejected off of this trend line, broke through this support line, and now we are looking for some more downside action, especially if Bitcoin continues to drop. We're going to be looking for taking profits around $288. Another interesting one, this is a pretty bullish pattern on crypto.com, so CRO. A potential long opportunity, but again, this depends what's happening with Bitcoin today. If it does come back down to 0.08 cents, we could take that for a nice 8% scalp trade. And there is some more resistance there on crypto.com. So we'd be taking our profits there. But this is a pretty good bullish indicator or bull flag that if this does break through and there's no resistance, this thing could keep running. But we would take our profits on this one fairly early before it does that. And then the final one of the day is Netvrk. It's been trading pretty strongly within this channel. So if we do get a pop up to this the top portion of the channel, we'd be looking for a short entry around 0.24 cents with a stop of 2% if it does actually break through that area of resistance. And this is a pretty big channel, so we're looking for about a 20% move to the downside, and it could break through this if Bitcoin does break through as well. So that's the trades for the day. If you like the content, please like, subscribe to the channel, and we look forward to seeing you in Discord.